family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Let's get into a single review on Montal, and this is Arabians Musk, okay? And this is from my Scentbird subscription. You all know that I'm a part of the Scentbird girlies that I pay for myself. But let's get into this fragrance. You all know how we do over here, so let's get right into it. So first, is this fragrance versatile? I think this fragrance is pretty versatile. I think you can really go the masses. And really, I think this could be a year-round type of scent. I'm just going to call it what it is. Yeah, I think it's a year-round, so very versatile. What occasion can I see you wearing this to? I mean, if you're going to a all-white party, if you're going to a baby shower would be good. Definitely brunch with the girls if we're still brunching. Dinner, dinner date with the girls. Dinner date with your boo. That's not like maybe a regal, type of luxury dining experience. Maybe not. But something very simple. You all just want to hang out. You just want to, go to a restaurant, catch some vibes. This would actually be good in a movie. So if you want to go to the movies, even in the house, I feel like this is a vibe. So plenty of occasions for this fragrance, in my opinion. Now, packaging. I love the packaging. Let me tell you, it is brown. I have been in this, not that, I want, aesthetic wise, all my things to be neutral, but I've been loving, browns and wearing brown and wearing tan. And yeah, I've been loving that color. I don't know if it's just because I'm a brown girl, but I've been loving, brown. So this looks like brown and gold. I love this bottle. The only thing I do not like out of Montal bottles is this little dangly thing here. If you have a Montal fragrance, it's probably the loudest type of piece of concoction or stopper that you're ever going to have. So she makes noise. But outside of that, the packaging, I like it. Not mad at it. And it has a little horsey design on it. Yeah, it's cute. Now, Arabians Musk, oh my goodness, the pricing is the pricingness. I've seen this anywhere from $75 to $80, some odd it within that range. So yeah, I have no problem with the pricing. Pricing actually is good. Joma Shop, I saw it on a deal during Mother's Day. Maybe they'll have something for Memorial Day that just passed. Oh, well, that just passed, so maybe not. Depending on whenever you see in this video. But they may have some deals and discount that you can look at Joma Shop to get you a bottle if you're interested. So pricing, pretty good in my opinion. Now, does this lean more masculine or feminine? I really feel like this is a unisex fragrance. I can see a male wearing this. If males, you like a powdery type of fragrance, I can see you wearing this. Women, yeah, I can definitely see you wearing this. So it just depends, men, what's your vibe in fragrances, but it can go either way for sure. Now, this fragrance was released in 2024, so let's get into the notes, shall we? Yeah, of course, the best part. So top notes, we have honey, bergamot. The middle notes, we have dates, orange blossom, musk, vanilla, tonka bean, and sugar at the base, okay? Now that I got that out the way, let's get into my real thoughts on this baby. Now, fam, do I love this fragrance? Yeah, I want a full bottle, if you couldn't tell. I want a full bottle like yesterday. I am absolutely, before the year is out, going to get me a full bottle of this. I love a good powdery musk fragrance. And when I say this adds that dates, it just adds a bit of delectableness to it that I adore and love. Like, it gives me like a gourmand musk. Like, if that's a thing, like a sweet musk, like a sweet, warm musk. It's everything. Like, again, I want a full bottle of this like yesterday. It is so good, so good, so good. That orange blossom, if you like a good orange blossom, you're going to love this. Now, for me, I don't always like a good honey note. Honey doesn't always honey in for me. It doesn't always honey. Hey, honey. No. She is not always my best friend. But this one, listen. Best friend. Where have you been? Nobody knows it. Like, girl, this is so good. Like, I am excited that I found a honey fragrance that has musk, giving me this warm, powdery vibe that I love. Oh my gosh, I have to. And the best thing about this fragrance, it lasts all day on your body, all day. I mean, many compliments. It met me back at the house. Like, it was just a trooper. Like, it was so good. So I would highly recommend you get your nose or your hand or add it to your Q4 scent bird. Add it, okay? Arabians Musk. I have to get this fragrance, right? This might even have to be a birthday gift to myself. Like, that's how much I love it. I adore this. Yeah. What else you want? It's good, girl. It's good. Okay, girl. Like, compliments, yes. Lasting, yes. Sillage, there. Okay? It's one of those, I wore it to the office, and you all know. Well, maybe you don't know, but I am extra. I want to be extra. I put on the face, because if you had me driving in, clearly you want me to show out. Driving in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Anyway, so, I put on face. I make sure that, my dress is dressing. But when I put on that fragrance, you talk about scent trail. Every corner I turned, I was even smelling me. People were smelling me. Like, I approached my desk and people were like, well, hey, Amber. Like, it was one of them. Hey, girl, hey. It was so good, okay? Highly recommend. You want to show out with a musk fragrance at that. And sometimes musk fragrances can get real... Nah, I like it. It can get, like, to me, a little dirty diaper, like a little grungy. Okay, a little grunge. It can be like that, but this one, no. So good. I am truly surprised, a pleasant surprise at that, but I have to get me a full bottle. This will absolutely be my next Montale fragrance for sure. No questions on that. Okay. So, do you have Arabians Musk in your collection? You didn't tell me about it. I looked, but that's okay. We still fam. Okay. Let me know your thoughts, your experience. I want to know, do you like it? Do you not like it? What were your vibes? What was your skin doing with this fragrance? I want to know, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, of course. And make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.